7 a.m. on a cool morning in the middle of November. This winding road has very little traffic, and it takes us on a drive heading out of Mount Abu. We pass a few temples on the way. And finally, here we are, at the gates of Peace Park. An oasis of green built in the middle of what was a jungle. So let's go for a walk through the serene sanctuary and enjoy some peace in the park before all the visitors arrive. This beautiful park was built by Brother Kishore and has a huge variety of plants and flowers that were brought in from all around the world by Baba's children. It also has native species and features a very special rose garden with roses of many colors. And here is a beautiful Om sculpture at the highest point. There are slogans dotted throughout the park. is a space that many of us cannot forget. A lawn that was our playground and picnic spot. A place where so many BKs and guests have enjoyed playing cricket, football, singing and dancing.
बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई हो।
कभी सोचा नहीं था भगवान मिलेगा, स्वर्ग से भी सुंदर संसार मिलेगा। कभी सोचा नहीं था भगवान मिलेगा, स्वर्ग से भी सुंदर संसार मिलेगा। वासलडे वगाडे ओलो नंद दिनो लाडलो रे लोला, आला लीला वासलिया रे बजावो।
And next to it, a canopy which provides protection and shade from the summer sun. And finally, Baba's room, tucked away at the back of the park. Pictures of the dadis remind us of their playful and entertaining nature and how they encouraged us all to have fun. So, Peace Park is calling everyone back to come and play Heaven is Coming and to dance the Bhangra in Peace Park once again. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. The news of Madhuban is it's getting winter, getting colder day by day. 7 o'clock, the temperature is 9-10 degrees. And we are having bhattis until 21 December. After 21st December, we are inviting double foreigners from 24th December till 4th January, and then double foreigner season will keep on continuing. Especially December and January, we are expecting very few double foreigners, but those who come need to be double vaccinated, fully vaccinated. Otherwise, they will have to have quarantine depending on which country you are coming. So it may be 8 days, 10 days, 15 days, I'm not sure. You will have to look at the India travel website. But February, March, and December, January, the dates we will be giving, we will try to organize special program for double foreigners. Even now, some people are coming because Madhuban is always refreshment. So at the moment, there are guests from US, Dubai, Kuwait, etc. So those from Indian origin have already started, and from 15th November they will be giving visa to everybody, tourist visa. But traveling conditions are there. Shantivan is busy, but at the moment Rajasthan government has given unrestricted group gathering. So as the time goes on, the number of pilgrims in Shantivan during Baba's meeting will increase to 10,000, 15,000, and I don't know, maybe 20,000 at the end of March. Last meeting, as we know. So Shantivan has been busy with bhattis, Baba's program, and some bhattis are conducted in Mansarovar. They have beautiful construction in Mansarovar. There are 4 buildings, but at the moment they are using only 1 building. So Brahmins are looking forward to come to Madhuban, and even from India, those who are coming after 2 years or so, because there had been lockdown most of the time, and they are really appreciating having bhattis in Gyan Sarovar and getting fully refreshed. So, you are welcome to come and get refreshed in Baba's home, your home. Om Shanti.